I finally got my hands on this Fenty Beauty bronzer. Oh my god, it was on sale. I will leave it down below in the description if you want to check it out. This is the Fenty Beauty by Inda Sun stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer, and this is in Inda Sun. Alright, there's the shade. It is the lightest shade from the collection. I will leave the price right here. But yeah, I want to see how it looks. I can't tell you, this has been on my wish list forever. Comes with a beautiful mirror. This is the color. Again, it's Inda Sun. And this is a 0.22 ounce. So I'm just going to swatch it really quick. See, it's pretty light. And this is the color here. I'm sure if you keep building it up, it can be a bit darker. If you have darker skin tone, medium skin tone, you will be able to find your shade. There is a nice selection of colors. I do have several other bronzers that I have reviewed. If you would like to see, I can leave a playlist in the description or in the comments as well. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Gonna use this brush. I think I got it in an Ipsy subscription, pretty sure I did. I can't see the brand here, but I really love it. It's one of my favorites. Taking some of that there. I'm gonna not apply too much product first to see how much is gonna show up. So I'm just gonna like tap here first. Oh, that's looking pretty good, right? I mean, if you have really fair skin and you're scared of like bronzers because it just looks muddy and too dark, wow. All right, I know the second shade to this. I was thinking about getting that one. I can't remember what it's called, but this you will have to like really build it up, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, so if you want something super light, this is the color for you. But as you see, it's not showing up that much. So if that's something you like, maybe you don't put any makeup at all, or you just are really light-handed with your makeup, then this is great. I'm trying to see how I feel about this. It is pretty light. You know which one I'm obsessed with? My one from Marc Jacobs. That is such a beautiful shade. You can see how that one looks. I'm not sure if they still sell it. I don't know what was going on with the Marc Jacobs makeup, but I'm applying a lot of this. A lot. So if you're like heavy-handed and you're scared like, oh, when I apply it, it looks so bad or it looks so dark, and you're really light, this can definitely work. Maybe I would like to see the next shade to this, just because I do like it. I like it, but if I'm in a rush, I don't have time to be like building it up a lot. Let me know what you think of this shade. You see? Like, yes, it is showing up, but I'm really applying a good amount of product. So contouring your nose, switch brushes, keep the same. I don't really have a lot of time when I do my makeup unless I'm doing a tutorial for you guys or a review. It's a really good shade. There's no like orangey tones. It just doesn't look bad. And now I can finally apply my blush. I was waiting to do that, and I am gonna film another video. There's a Sephora favorites bag that I'm gonna do after this. So if you want to watch it, make sure you subscribe, and I hope this review helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!